To save $10,000 over the course of a year, you'll need to set aside around $834 per month. However, the exact amount you'll need to save each month will depend on your specific financial situation and the length of time you have to reach your goal. Here's a simple way to calculate how much you should save each month to reach your goal. Divide your goal by the number of months you have to save. For example, if you want to save $10,000 in 1 year, 12 months, you would divide $10,000 by 12, which equals $833.33. Adjust for your specific situation. If you have less than a year to save, you'll need to save more each month to reach your goal. For example, if you only have 6 months to save, you'll need to save twice as much each month, $1,666.67, to reach your goal. It's important to keep in mind that this is just a rough estimate and you may need to adjust your savings plan based on your actual income and expenses. Be sure to create a budget and track your spending to help you stay on track with your savings goals.